Yeah, ahee namuntlha kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Eyi ya mi ta ni khomela nyana moya moya ku wa hluva se i ti byele ku i relaxeni that particular day and na moya endla vlog of course disturb. So unfortunately I have no control over the wind. Nazama ku va ni avoid maybe multiple times but a swi olovi man. Yeah, as you can see, kwala ka topic hi ta khelwala hi Limpopo Poison. Of course leyi nga ta va kha hi linga obviously na Hosingove Mr Post. Hi tlhela hi linka na response by big fan ya Hosingove, of course ku nga soli Gezani Nukeri. A ha yimini hina hi tiva ku se a nga ha ngheneli swa ti-beef, a nga ha ngheneli ka ti-beef mara se swi tikomba se he's back. Leswi nga kahle swinene because Hosingove se a yi nga ha na munhu loyi a nga ku yi sapoteni. Ma yi kuma yena mhaka leyi. Ya sa hi sunguleni okay single ya Limpopo Poison yi humeni mhani munhu wo react-a ma swi tiva. However this time around I have to say something ku hi sayiti ra mina. The reason yo ni fike ni vula swilo swin'wana is because already a ni vule swin'wana before yi huma ku ri mina ku hi sayiti ra mina a yi ni chavisi like Limpopo Poison leswi a ni swi vurini before. So sweswi yi humeni single se ni ri yini sweswi that's the question. Single ni twini I think va tirhini as an introduction. I think they did great. Na ku hi ku twisisa ka mina is just an introduction liya ko va intro njhe vo kombisa ku they are back. Na ngo mi swi twini ku ndlela yo vuya njhe swi fanele ku munhu a endla swa ti-vlog loko a kha endla ti-vlog a kha kombisa ku get to know him or her and stuff like that. To me is the same thing. Swi famba ka line yin'we na sweswiya. So I think quality wise na ngo mi yi twini quality yi kona. Content nge vulavuli ngopfu hi yona because vo vuya. Sound na yona ni yi twini sound hayi a ni tivi but loko ni vona kha ni vona ka Facebook swi komba ku vanhu vo tala they are impressed by that sound. Swi komba ku vanhu vo tala va tsakini hi yona sound liya ya Limpopo Poison hi liya khale ku tirhisiwe that old sound. So ni vone na ku van'wana swi tikomba na ku I mean majority swi komba yi kha yi va tsakisa that sound. So mara ku hi sayiti ra mina ni ngo the sound must be improved. Loko ri va ta stick to that sound hi December swi ngo ndla yi nga chayi kahle that sound that old sound at least yi fike yi va yi ciciwa hi somehow they must be creative. Mi nga mi swi twini ka track leya yena ya Khazi na Khazi mi yi twini ku tirhisiwe that line. However mi kuma ku that line yi fika yi twistiwa somehow. The sound was twisted. Mi swi twini mos famba ma yingisela Khazi na Khazi mi ta swi twa ku ni vavini. So the sound was twisted a little bit. Yi fika yi ciciwa yi hundzuriwa nyana mi swi twa ku oh okay swi famba so and stuff like that. So hey loko ku ri a ni yi veka ka scale out of 100 in terms of ku va yi ni impressing track a ni ta yi feka ka 70 out of 30. A ni ta fika ni yi veka ka 70 out of 30. Ho yi ba pause lava va nga ta ku traina ku ni for the whole and stuff like that. Yeah, so as stated sound leyi swi endla yi ni disturb a hi beni ni pause nyana. Yeah, apologies ni sure ku se ni mi lahleni la unless if maybe ni ta vuya ni mi connect-ela patu. I think I will connect the road. Yeah, let's connect the road. Mi ta swi twisisa we will connect the road hi suka kun'wana ku hala but we had to pause it for various reasons. Ro sungula hi disturb lava va kha va khavhana swi ta endlela ku maybe ni teka vona loko hi hindza live hi hindza kun'wana at the school there mi kuma ku va play music and the music wa hlupha loko u fika u nghenela ni ka video swi na the-copyright issues or whatever. So I had to pause it there. Yeah, so as explained the guys I think there's room for improvement. Koko that thing is an introduction so swi nga va too early maybe ku va hi swi judge that way mavonanyana ku that song a hi risimu ro cinisa na a ni mi swi twini it's not the song yo cinisa ku va an introduction va hi twisa ku they are back. So quality wise it's great. However as stated mina ni vula ni ku ni ta yimela Hosingove ni twa ku dyona they responded ku yini ma vona nyana patu ra hina kahle ri hala ka left leriya hi ri lavaka ku will turn somewhere will turn mara moya wu nga hi disturb masa ku na swo tala ngori munhu a kha a nga vhidi ma swona guys like I have to consider many things maybe loko se ni voni na ku se ni hetini swo tala we can go that side ku hambi moya wo distracta ku nga vi na much issue ma hi vona nyana yeah of course hi ka hosi ngove so hosi ngove as expected after loko track liya yi humesiwile ya Limpopo Poison hi fike hi vona ti responda hi vona ti responda laha ti nga endla video di hlekile ri a ngo mi swi voni ku a di ri happy ku hindza mpimo we know it loko hosi ngove ti ze di hlekela or di va di ri happy too much it means something we should be able to interpret it properly we should be able to interpret it properly so swi ku hisa hetela dyondzo swi nga kha swi vula ku a di chuwangi and stuff like that swa ku a di chuwangi loko ku ri a di chuwini i nge maybe di vuli I mean i nge di nga ndlangi that video hi liya the building ya ku hindzaku ma hi hleketa musi i nge di vuli swin'wana musi ma kota ku connecta ku a kusuka kwini vhele se hi tlhela ndzhaku hi hala dyiwa sweswi i nge di nga ndlangi nchumu so swi kombi na ku ku hisa heti ra dyona a va ti chuhisangi leswi a hi vhete ni swi connecta na big fan ya kona ku nga Soli Gezani Nukiri so ni vona comment yena a nga fika a yi tsala kwalano after loko pardon a fika a tsala ku mujamujam ntsena leswi swi related ka post leyi a nga fika a yi tsala as you can see kwalano so hi fike hi vona Soli Gezani Nukiri kwalano a fika a tsala ku liya ngoma a ku na nchumu so ku hi sayiti ra yena Soli Gezani Nukiri i ri the track a hi nchumu really the same person loyi a nga te yena hey beef swinini beef swinini hi wolowo so is back in beef so a ni a zama ku ndla yena ku hey yena nga ngheni ka beef and stuff like that loko sweswo is back i tlhela ku kombisa ku a va changi nchumu i vula risimu ra Poison of course i rifera ka rona so mo swona ku munhu loyi a ngo you can say it's a flip flop and the main reason yo va a sweswiwa a ri karhi a defender like a yima ka sayiti ra hosi ngove i ku swi voni ku se hosi ngove se a di nga ha na mhaka na yena after loko se swi tikombe na ku a di betrayini ma yi kuma yena mhaka leyi so hi sweswo response ya yena le by the way Limpopo Poison they are doing great online va le ka position number 3 as you can see kwalano so a hi summarizeni mara hi summarize hata hi connecta ndhawu leyi hi ta kona ti pause sweswi so in summary what can I say in summary risimu ri kahle ku hi sayiti ra mina but they can still improve ngopfu the sound should be improved va nga yi tlheli ngopfu le ndzhaku leyi because loko munhu a za a chayisa that sound ya Limpopo Poison leyi ya khale ko va ndlela yo a vuyisa ti-memories teta ta khale ma yi kuma nyana so I don't think maybe a fika va yi tirhisa ngopfu ka sweswi why ni vula tano because guys hosi ngove at the moment I think he has a powerful sound swinene hi swona leswi nga endla ku hi December mi kuma ku na yena a va karhatini laha some can argue that he won December of course ku hi sayiti rin'wana va nga fika a endla sweswo while vanhu vo fana na mina ni tweni na ku i draw in a condition yo if Mr Post o khoma swi tiyana this year we can win ku hi sound leyi leswi a ni kombise swona so this is a difficult one it's a difficult one sound ya hosi ngove yi le henhla swini vanhu va yi rhandza that sound munhu a nga yi rhandzi but people love that sound ma yi kuma yana mhaka leyi so hi laha mhaka ya kona yi fikaka kona kwalaho hi laha yi fikaka kona I think in overall hi cover everything hi cover everything kwalano hi kombiseni response ya hosi ngove in relation to them in relation to the or vhete hi ri connecting once in relation to the song leyi nga huma swi tikombi na ku a di impressed hosi ngove if a di ri impressed a di ta di nga ndlangi video liya loko ze di ndla video leyi di kha di hleka leswiya hambi sweswi a di nga la ku nghena direct ha swi tiva hina vo Master T ku di va kha di zama ku vula ku hi sayiti ra dyona a di impressed and stuff like that and then Soli Gezani Nukiri big fan ya kona ya Mr Post is back i ta kha a hlasela swinene na yena as you might have seen so sweswi kahle hi hola ku connecta patu ntsena mi swi twisisa ku hi fambe xinjhani ntsena hi ku vo tala ni sure ku mi confuse you don't understand ku se Master T le kwini kahle kahle So I have been on pause. The continue wanna get the like I pull start not going to take over. I have been on pause. Okay. I think we're still turning. Okay, good dog we trade the pala and stuff like open going one. Yeah, so patra kona guys lir. Man ma phone wa jiga yana la. So our road lir la. You all know this road. Guys, marti wa patler ngala martin. Nevaya ne ro na multiple times. Nsonga vlog amena iko. So you know the road. So ito jikansan mish wona ko ilo kwinsen, and then we should be done just like that without causing much problems. So kushishwa anshishwa na makongo na sound. Na makongo na sound. Lir patler rinko na arti ba de. We all know this road. There seen multiple times. Patler ero. As you can see, like a back house and stuff like that. Yeah, so we use this road. There's masu go ta la marti ba na mo. Unfortunately, video ko ikata we mo so ko am zama ba at least ma kan vika kwala na kwala. Just I take. So video marti ba patler na continue.